In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Forms. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing into your account. Once you sign in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where all of your existing forms live. From here, we're going to start a brand new form. On the Forms homepage, look near the top of the page and click New Form. This will open a fresh blank form ready for you to build on. Now let's add a quick sample question so we have something to style. Click the form title field at the top of the form. In this title field, type Team Event Feedback. Take your time entering that name so it reads cleanly at the top of your form. Next, click the description field located right under the title. In this description field, type the following sentence. Choose the style you like best for our next event. This gives anyone filling out the form a little context about what they're answering. Below the form header, click Add New to insert your first question. A small menu will pop up showing the available question types. From this menu, click Choice, since we want the multiple choice question. Click the question text field that appears on the new question card. In this field, type the question, which event theme do you prefer? Enter that wording exactly so your form sounds natural to your respondents. Now we'll fill in the answer choices. Click Option 1, and for the first option, type Outdoor Picnic. After that, click Option 2, and for the second option, type Indoor Workshop. These two answers give your form something to display on the page. With the sample question in place, it's time to open the Style panel and apply a built-in background. Look at the top right toolbar and click Style. A Styles pane will slide out on the right-hand side of your screen. Inside the Styles pane, scroll down until you can clearly see the background and color choices that Forms offers. If you spot a link labeled View All in the Styles pane, click View All to expand the full gallery of options. Now click any background tile that has a visible color or image in the gallery. After you click, look at your form and confirm that the background has changed behind the title and the question you just created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, we'll upload a provided image to use as a custom background. In the Styles pane, find the plus tile labeled Customized and click it. This will open the Customize Theme menu. Inside the Customize Theme menu, click Upload Image. An image picker window will appear. In that image picker, click Upload to open your computer's file picker. In the file picker, locate and select the setup image, which in this case is called formsbackground.png. Once you've highlighted that file, click Open in the file picker to send it over to Forms. Microsoft Forms will then generate theme previews using your uploaded image. When those previews appear, click the first preview tile that clearly shows the image. Look at your form and confirm that the blue and green image now appears behind the form content. Now let's preview the changed background to make sure everything looks right. In the top toolbar, click Preview. Forms will switch to a preview view that shows the form exactly as your respondents will see it. Confirm that the preview displays your sample form with the new blue and green background applied. The form preview now shows the sample question sitting on top of the uploaded blue and green background, and the background change has been successfully applied to this Microsoft form through the Style panel. Congratulations, you have just changed the background of Microsoft Forms and customized your form with a brand new visual theme.